This is my experience with Harry Patel Mystic Meditation's 6-week Tantra program. Harry is the teacher with X-ray vision. So he immediately saw what I needed at my current stage of practice and was able to hold space while giving me the exact pointers and the exact steps to move forward. So his 6-week program honestly gave me more clarity than years of searching for reliable information online on Tantra. So he really helped to make sense of a world of vague pointers and broke it down into practical steps with clear signs to look for, and he really helped to adapt the steps to where the student was. He went above and beyond to answer my questions and to help me apply the practice in depth. He laid out the roadmap, the specific steps each week, which is something that I always really thrive on. And I've already experienced multiple shifts, even in the early stages. So I've enjoyed every part of the process, and so has my partner as well, and it's opened up a real inner world and created a path for my practice. So thank you, Harry, and looking forward to continue working with you.